they're so much fun. Climb down this thing. This thing is like so weird. Hi! Do you mind if I touch you? I don't think it likes me. Hello? Ah! No, don't be. I'm nice. You're really fun to play with. Come on, come on. Hey, let me touch you. Hey, what's this? Is it you? Hey, you're really nice. Dad accidentally poked you in the eye. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm not able to touch you. Alright, you can go in the bushes. Okay, now let's see, how can I pick you up? Let's go bring you to the bushes. In you go, little guy. Bye-bye. Come on, get off of me now. You know you like me. Alright, I'll name you Spots. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, alright, here, get in the bushes. Get in the bushes. Come on, get. Come on, there you go. Bye-bye. Come on. Can you go now? Come on, bye-bye. Alright, let's just leave it there. I don't feel any bad. Let's stay here with it. Alright, let's see. Come on. Move. Come on. Devil, be free. Be free. No, don't come back. You're supposed to go in the bushes. Yeah, like that. You with that. Ah! Bye. I know, let's go somewhere else. Oh. That's a cute little lizard. Movie room. Okay, now the last place where I live is the movie room. This is my favorite room of all because you get to watch movies on a big screen. Oh no! The wind's really hard today. It keeps blowing my chairs away. I guess I'll have to take them down or something. Alright,